Hi guys, welcome back to this wonderful YouTube channel. My name is Dikarisa. There's a boy from Africa, Kenya. Guys, I know you have seen those beautiful views that I've shown you. Very beautiful indeed. If you love nature, you must love this video. Let me show you a beautiful view from the Siolo Hills Hotel, a beautiful hotel very famous here in Kenya. That is located in Maasai village. Guys, I'm in Maasai village. And if I say Maasai village, I know you guys understand because Maasais are pastoralists, pastoralists. So you see how far the neighbors are. They are not like congested in one place. The places, their houses are far. Let me go on the road there and show you a view of a Maasai village. But meanwhile, let me show you a view of Siolo Hills Hotel. Very nice place to be if you're in Kenya and you happen to find yourself in this Maasai village or this Ma land. Take your way to this wonderful and beautiful hotel that you are seeing on my camera here. Let me try to zoom it. Look at that beautiful hotel. It has a nice view and it's just next to Ngong Hills. Ngong Hills is Ngong is here. There's their gate. I think at the start of the video, I've started their video at the gate of the Ngong Hills. I was going to make some appointment because I want to show you guys inside the Ngong Hills. I want to like do hiking, so I was going to like benchmarking. So as I was benchmarking, I say like, let me do a video and show you my people, because like maybe next week I was going to arrange some few things there in Ngong Hills. That's their gate. I know you have seen that video when I was you've seen the gate of Ngong Hills when I was starting my video. So guys, next week we'll be doing something there. So let me show you a beautiful view of this Maasai village. That is Siolo Hills. So guys, next week we'll be climbing Ngong Hills. Ngong Hills, this is just Ngong Hills. These are ridges that was as a result of those are remains that was that happened as a result of a massive volcano that happened like 5 to 6.5. Aje mzito fiti nimetoka hapa Ngong Hills hapa juu. Nilikuwa nakuja kucheki hiyo mapreserve vile wana nini walipisha mse kuingia hapo ndani pale. Nimebanja nao lakini ni very expensive aje. Tunasema ukiingia sasa kama mimi kwenda kushoot huko ndani nikifanya vlogs nafanyanga za YouTube. Nasema nilipe 2,900 ndio niingia hapo ndani. So sasa nijipange vizuri. Nikiwa ready ndio nitakuja sasa ni nini. Niingie nifanye hizo video. Sasa sifiki mtaa saa hii. Nataka kuenda na barabara hivi kwanza ndipo nifanye video kwanza. Sawa fiti hapo. So guys, I was talking that about a guy. He was thinking like, I'm going to Kiserian. Kiserian is just a town that is just past these beautiful places that I'm showing you guys. So this is Siolo Hills. It's an hotel, very beautiful hotel. I'm trying to show you the view of it. So guys, if you are up and you find yourself on this Maasai land, at least make your way to this beautiful hotel. See how beautiful it is. Very beautiful indeed. It has a nice view. If you are in that hotel, by the way, you can be able to see the view of the capital city of Kenya, that is Nairobi. Especially at night, you can be able to see those beautiful lights that blinks inside the city during at night when you're in this beautiful hotel. That's called Lesiolo Hills Hotel. It's located past Xerian. It's like 26 kilometers from the capital city of Kenya, that is Nairobi. It's like 20 kilometers. That's like 46. That's like 46-minute drive from Nairobi to Kenya. After from Nairobi to this beautiful hotel. So guys, let's continue with this Maasai land walking. I want to show you the Maasai land, how far they live with their neighbors. They are not like at one place. Those are a group of motorists. Oh, naja wazee. Look at those beautiful views. So that's like a village down there. The escarpment. I love those views. Just imagine. Oh my God. Look at those beautiful views. So guys, that is Maasai village. That is how they live. Even if you can see very well, if my camera is that clear, you can see there's some herds of cattle that are going to be looked after by Maasai boys. You can see how far they have from one neighbor to another. Because Maasai, you know, they're pastoralists, so they're like, they don't live into one place like many, so that they can waste a lot of place for feeding their cattle, because they usually keep a lot of cattle. You can see those are like almost 100 cattle. They're like almost 50, by the way. And you can find that is for one person, and maybe they are not all of them. So guys, this corner is usually very dangerous. It's called Konabaridi. Because this road is too narrow, and it is a main road. If you go with this road up to its end, we'll reach Tanzania border. Fiti fiti. Oh, these guys are greeting me. So hi guys, my name is Dick Arisa. This is a boy from Africa, Kenya. I'm in this Maasai village. You can see how beautiful it is because of the views that you encounter when you come to this village, guys. You can just see how beautiful views are there. You can see those hills. There are some hills. Maybe those hills are in Magadi. I know you guys knows Lake Magadi. I think those hills are in Lake Magadi. Those hills that you are seeing, those ridges that you are seeing far hand there, those are not Ngong hills. Those are like, I think it is part of Lake Magadi. Maybe it has its own name. If you are around Kenya and you know the name of those hills, I don't know. I only know Ngong Hills, but Ngong Hills it is on this side. So if you are in Kenya and you're watching this video and you know the name of those hills, please, you can just comment. You can just name it and put the comment on that section down there, and you know which hills is that. So guys, I've come from the Kenya Wildlife Services of Ngong Hills and Recreational Park. I was wanting to film there, like doing a vlog, but their price is too high. They're asking for 2,900. That's like how many dollars? 2,900. That is like that. 2,900 is Kenyan shillings, but in dollars, I think 2,900. That is like $25. That's like 25 to $25, I think. So they are asking for $25, but I was not able to have that money. I thought maybe it is like $2. Maybe if it goes, maybe it's $5, but it wasn't the way I was expecting. So like the normal fee entry is the normal fee entry of entering Ngong Hills to do to just walk there and have nice time, maybe with your family or just by yourself, is 216 Kenya shillings. In dollars, that is like $1.50. So if you just want to go and have some good times there with your family, maybe, or just by yourself, just want to go there and relax, chill, you have to pay 216 shillings, Kenya shillings, if you're an adult like me. So if I was just going there to have my recreational time, just recreating my body, like chilling, that is 216 Kenya shillings. In dollars, that's like $1.5. But they have refused me to get in because they've seen me with the tripods. I'm going to film there. They've seen me with the mic, so they've said that if I'm going there to film, like it was a group that I've gone there with the cameras, like they have gone with my camera, with my tripod and my microphone on. So they told me that I need to pay like it is 46,000. 46,000. That's like $500. That, but 46,000 is 46,000 Kenyan shillings. So if I was a group, we have to pay 46,000 Kenyan shillings for us to do vlogs there, or film there. But if I'm just going to do photograph and video shootings, and the way I'm vlogging like this, I have to pay 2,900 Kenya shillings. That is like $25. So me thought, if I pay that 2,000, that 216 Kenya shillings, maybe I think they'll just let me in and do my vlog as I take my time there. I just have a memory in my phone. But so I've make an appointment with them. I'll come and look for some money, and then I will come to vlog because they want like $25. So if we are ready, guys, we'll come there and do a vlog inside there, do a hike, because Ngong Hills, I think that the highest peak of this Ngong Hills, I think it is 8,071 feet. Imagine the highest peak. It's very tall, 8,071 feet. And I think the smallest peak that is like 2,476 feet. So guys, next week inshallah we'll come and do a vlog there. But meanwhile, see the Maasai village. See how beautiful this village it is. I like the view, especially of those hills. But by the way, guys, you know, I'm telling you, if we continue with this road up to where it ends, we will reach Tanzania border, because there's some allegation that if you come where I am at this view, but especially when you are in Ngong Hills, if you are in Ngong Hills, on top of Ngong Hills, on a clear day, when we have a clear sky, you will be able to see Mount Kilimanjaro. Now you guys know Mount Kilimanjaro because it is very famous. You will be able to see the peak of Mount Kilimanjaro. Those are some navigation that I usually hear. But as we continue doing these vlogs, I know one day we'll come across Ngong Hills, on top of Ngong Hills on a clear day, and we'll try to see. We'll come with the good lenses, inshallah. If that time comes, when I'll be having a good camera, we'll come and good lenses and try to, on a clear day, try to zoom on the Kilimanjaro, because guys usually say that on a clear day, people usually can be able to see on the Kilimanjaro. So I think guys, we'll make an appointment on that and come and do that thing. So guys, let's continue the walk. I'm just trying to show you there's a beautiful Maasai village. But by the way guys, if this village nice to you, you can still invest here in this village, because I see maybe nowadays people are interacting with the Maasai people, so they can be able to, if you want to buy like a land, you can buy a land and become a resident of this village, and you too enjoys these beautiful views that you are seeing. Look at those hills, very beautiful, very beautiful. Guys, there are my subscribers who are asking me to showcase the landscaping of this beautiful Africa. I know guys, if you love nature, this video is for you. Just see those landscape, very beautiful views. These guys, I think this will be an hotel here, 100% sure this will be an hotel, because this area has a lot of hotels. So guys, let me try and I'm seeing there's a Maasai man coming this way. Let me try and greet him and ask him some question about this village. Habari baba? Mimi naitwa Di Karisa. Mimi nafanyanga hii mambo ya film ya kuweka vitu kwa YouTube. Ndio. Sasa nilikuwa nimetembea kuja hapo kufika Ngong Hills hapa. Jaribu kuchukua video huko. Okay. Hii area inaitwa aje? Hii area hii. Inaitwa Kesamis. Kesamis. Oh, nikienda hivi nitafika Kesamis. Sawa sawa, asante. So guys, that is how Maasai people wear. They just put on shukas, and the way we've just seen that man is an old man, and he has told me this village is called Kesamis. Kesamis. That's how it's life here in Africa. There's some tribe that they're still in that cultural thing. They have kept their culture, because there are some tribes that are these lorry cars. So I'm saying that there are some tribes here in Kenya that like they left their culture long time ago, but Maasai people, Maasai tribe, they have not left their culture. They are still maintaining their culture, even they are making it stronger and stronger every decades and decades that comes. As you can see, this man is still on that attire, that traditional attire that Maasai people usually put on. And you can see we are in modern days. Many things have changed, but they still have that culture on them. They like it, and that's how they represent Africa and even Kenya, because they are icon of Kenya. If anyone come across thinking about Kenya, first thing that comes to your mind is Maasai people. You can just see how these Maasai boys will greet me. They usually greet people using, especially the ones that are older than them, they usually give them their heads and you touch it on top. That's how they greet. Ngayoni, amjenda shule kwa nini? Sasa. Hai. Mbona amjenda shule leo? Si leo ni siku ya shule? Na shule ndio hii hapa chini. Mnasoma pale chini? Yaani ile ni shule? Ile sio shule? O children's home. Lakini children's home siko na shule ndani? Ni watoto wana wazazi. Watoto wana wazazi ndio wanakaa hapo. Na wale mama nyinyi mjafika muda kwenda shule? Tulifukuzwa jana. Walifukuzwa jana? Wanataka pesa. Pesa ya mtihani ama school fees? Pesa ya mtihani? Naona uko na pesa, unaenda kwa duka? Unaenda kwa duka? Sawa sawa. Haya. So guys, as you have seen how I've greet those boys, that is how Maasai have keep their culture. You see, if you have not reached that age of circumcised, you are still Ngayoni. Ngayoni, it is a name of like those small boys. If an elderly Maasai, or elderly person who knows Maasai culture, because I know a bit of Maasai culture. So if you come across them, they don't give you they don't give you hand. They don't greet you by giving you hand. You greet them by touching their head, the way I've touched their head. You see, that is the way of greeting Maasai children, especially if you are adult and they are children. That's the way you greet them. So they give you and then you touch it. So that's why I'm saying Maasai people, they still keep their culture, because I think that those are the only tribe that have keep their culture. Because when you want to greet those boys, you know, automatically they just give you the head and then you touch it. That's the way of greeting them. But if you are of the same age, your age mate, you just shake hands. That's the way of greeting. So that is a signpost of this place. It's called Konabari. That is the junction that I've come, where there's a road to go to Ngong Hills. So that's the signpost. That place is called Ngong Hills. That place is called Konabari. So guys, continue seeing these beautiful views. So these boys have told me that this is a children's home, but children's home, it has a school. It has both. Look at those beautiful views. So guys, this road is too narrow. I think even I have a video that I did in this road. And this is the main road. I don't know what the government of Kenya doing. I wonder, even that's why, like now there is that tension of government, because Gen Z generation have come together and they're demonstrating, like, to bring this country into its normal. There you can see this is a road that it's like a main road, but you can see how narrow it is. Just imagine, and this road, it is being used by heavy commercial vehicles, these big lorries. I think you have seen on the videos when I was doing. This road is like a main road. Major vehicles usually passes here. Like this is like this car that has passed. This is a PSV car. It has some passengers inside. So this road is very busy, very busy. There are some lorries that usually passes here, and you can just see how narrow it is. Very narrow, very narrow, very narrow. It is like a rough road. But the government, they're just countering money. And that's why we have a demonstration that is being held by youth of Kenya. They are really proud. I know it has been global. I know you guys, maybe you have come across the news, but if you don't have come across the news, like here in Kenya now, people are demonstrating, the youths, especially youths, they're called Generation Z, Gen Zs. They're really demonstrating about bringing this country into normal because the government is messing us a lot. I know this was not the topic because this channel is not that necessarily talking about politics, but I'm just trying to give my opinion because that's the real thing that is happening in Kenya. There's a small car, but as occupied like the whole of this road. This road is too narrow, too narrow, too narrow, and it is not in good condition. You can just see. Wow, look at that beautiful view. Those, I can't imagine you are driving here, just lonely on the car, having some good time with yourself, having good music, driving slowly, just having a road trip from maybe this place that I am to Tanzania. You're enjoying the beautiful views. You can just see like that small cars occupy the whole of that road. So guys, I don't believe you guys can be able to see those ridges. Those are the ridges of Ngong Hills. There's a dog here, and I mean, this is like a bush. You can say this is a dog. Maybe you just come to realize that this is an wild animal. This is Magadi Road. Let me get out of the road. Aje. So you can just see how busy this road and how narrow it is and the condition of the road. This road goes all the way to Tanzania. So it's like a main road. It don't need to be rehabilitated and at least be expanded, at least be a little bigger, where they can make it a dual road. So guys, you can see the beautiful Ngong Hills. Very beautiful. Aje. So guys, this is where you want to do a hike. This is Ngong Hills. These are some ridges of Ngong Hills. These ridges happens these are the remains of a massive volcano that happened in, around 5 to 6.5 million years ago. There's a massive volcano that happened, and this was formed as a result of basalt lava. That's why we have these Ngong Hills like now. Was formed to 6.5 million years ago. So this is where I'll be doing hike, and I've told you the highest peak of Ngong Hills, that is 8,071 feet. So guys, we'll be doing a hike there maybe next week, so keep on. If you have not subscribed to this video, make sure you do so. Subscribe, like, share and comment, so that if I do that, upload that video of Ngong Hills, you'll be able to see the video. So guys, if you are new to this channel, subscribe, like, share and comment. My name is Dikarisa. This is your boy from Africa, Kenya. So guys, I think I'll end my video there, and try, like, I think I've shown you some places, and I've shown you how Maasai people live, because they're not like close to each other. They are far because they are pastoralists. So if you want to build your place, you have to build your place to a small portion, and then left a whole place for cattle to feed on. So guys, the remaining time that I've remained, I will walk and try to see this Maasai village. And at least I've shown you some view, and I've given you some clue in the culture of Maasai. I've shown you how Maasai children greet their elder. I've shown you how Maasai men put on their clothes. Some of them, they're still on culture, and they're keeping their culture very well. That's the only tribe that keeps culture here in Kenya, and there's some few that also keep culture here in Kenya. But there's some tribe that have left culture. But Maasai people, like the icon of Africa, I can say Africa, because Nairobi is very famous, and it's like the city of Africa. So guys, my name is Dikarisa. This is a boy from Africa, Kenya. Let me not talk much. I will talk much about Maasai people and their culture when we do hike on Ngong Hills. So guys, my name is Dikarisa. This is a boy from Africa, Kenya. Make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye.